about these elements, these non-state actors agitating in the name of the incarceration of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, do you think as a region, as a Southeastern, that the call for political solution to the issue of Mazi?
See, anytime that you want to solve any problem, the starting point is always to go to the root cause. I actually feel that the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's issue was largely a mismanagement by the federal government. First is that people should be allowed to vent. People should be allowed to complain if they feel marginalized. It's a democracy that we run. And what you do is bring them closer and listen to them. What is the problem? Okay, this is what we're going to do. Oh, sorry, we can't do this one. This is too much, and this is why we're not doing this. Engagement, dialogue.
Yeah.
The moment you do the incarceration, and then there's even a court judgment, say bail or release, and you disobey, you create the more agitation. So I feel that are there enough reasons to agitate? There are plenty of reasons to agitate, and it's not just in the Southeast, in the Southwest, there are reasons to agitate. People should genuinely be allowed to agitate.
Prevent, yes.
So, but how do you manage the agitation? That's where we have failed as a country. So, now that the problem is there, can only be political solution. So if you ask me, President Tinubu should immediately, and is a plea, we want to be able to separate agitators from criminals. Release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and release the people like Peter Obi, for instance. He will know how to engage him. By the time that is done, anybody coming out to agitate again, we know you're a criminal. You can be dealt with. So you figure out what to do. I think it's something we must do to help the entire environment to achieve a proper law and order. So we lose a lot of money on Mondays on the sit at home. We need to end all this. All of these things we're talking about, actually manifestation of leadership, bad leadership. And that's why otherwise it won't even be here at all. Our conversation should be different. How do we catch up with the rest of the world? How do we leverage? Look at NVIDIA, $3 trillion market capitalization. One company, one corporation, bigger than Africa.
Yeah.
Because do you know what you're talking about? In Anambra, we can produce Mark Zuckerberg if we do the right thing. So that's the conversation I want to get into. And that's why it saddens me that we go to the pedestal and our people, oh, he's building road, he's doing this. I laugh at them. Do you know where the rest of the world are? We need to catch up.
Yeah.
And you need the right mind to do so.
This is wishing you all the best.
Thank you.